Wow, we're under the big blue ocean. I see so many amazing things. And look who's here, Finny the shark. Say hello, Finny.
Today we're going on a special adventure to find all the letters of the alphabet, from A to Z.
Awesome! Let's get ready for our alphabet hunt. Finny's best friends are here to help us.
Look, it's Bubbles the clownfish and me, Shelly the turtle.
And don't forget Krabby the crab.
Our friends will help us find letters hidden around the coral reef. Are you ready to explore?
Let's warm up. Wiggle your fingers like sea worms. Now swim your arms like a big shark.
We're all warmed up and ready. Let's start our underwater alphabet adventure.
Follow Finny. He's already spotted the first letter. Let's go! Finny found the letter A behind seaweed. Makes the ah sound. Anemone.
Next is B. B is for bubbles. Bubbles. Let's pop some bubbles.
Krabby found C. C is for crab. Crab. Snap your claws.
Shelly found D. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. Jump like a dolphin.
E is for eel. Eel. Slither your arm like an eel.
F is for fish. F fish. Make a fishy face.
G is for giant squid. Good, giant. Stretch your arms wide.
H is for seahorse. Seahorse. Gallop in place.
IJKLM. I for iguana, J for jellyfish, K for krill, L for lobster, M for manatee. Great job.
We're halfway there. Let's keep going.
Time for a song break. Let's sing the underwater ABCs.
Finny, Bubbles, Shelly, and Krabby are ready to sing with you.
Let's sing and move like our favorite sea creatures.
A, B, C, it's the alphabet for me. Swimming deep in the ocean blue, a letter for me and you.
G, H, I, the fish are swimming by. J, K, L, we think you're really swell. M, N, O, put on a happy show.
Let's sing the ABCs. Come on and sing with me. You're a wonderful singer.
V and W, there's nothing we can't do. X, Y, Z, you sang along with me. Now we know our ABCs.
Let's find the rest of the letters.
Finny points to N. N is for narwhal. Nin, narwhal. Pretend you have a tusk. O is for octopus. Octopus. Wiggle 8 fingers.
P is for pufferfish. Pufferfish. Puff up your cheeks.
Q is for queen conch. Queen. Pretend to wear a shell crown.
R is for ray. Ray. Glide your arms.
S is for starfish. Sis, starfish. Make a star shape. T is for tuna. Swim fast. U is for urchin. Curl up. V is for viperfish. Show your teeth. W is for whale. Spray water. X is in boxfish. Make a square. Y is for yellow tang. Z is for zooplankton. Wiggle your fingers. We found them all.
Amazing, we did it!
We did it. Every letter from A to Z.
Let's say them all together and make their sounds.
A, B, C, Q, D, E, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
N, O, R, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, KS, Y, Z, Zoo.
You know your alphabet sounds. Give Finny a big underwater high five. Slap! Keep exploring and learning. Adventures are everywhere.
Thanks for joining us on our underwater alphabet hunt.
Goodbye, friends. See you next time for more fun.